Hey, today I wanted to talk a little bit about IKEA, the Swedish furniture giant that has changed the way we think about home furnishings. Here are three innovative facts about the company. Number one, flat packing pioneer. IKEA was one of the first companies to introduce the flat pack furniture, revolutionizing the industry with its space-saving and cost-effective design. This innovation allows them to ship and store their products more efficiently, saving people time and money and making it easier to get the furniture home. Number two, democratic design. IKEA's concept of democratic design focuses on creating affordable yet high-quality products that meet the needs of the many. Their innovation in materials and production techniques make stylish design accessible to folks on a budget. And lastly, number three, IKEA is a renewable energy leader. They're committed to sustainability, investing in wind farms, solar panels, and other renewable energy sources. They actually plan to be climate positive by 2030, reducing their carbon footprint and setting an example for the retail industry. So there you have it, IKEA, a company that's always pushing the boundaries of innovation.